Hello everyone. How are you doing? This is Windows Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the taskbar has disappeared or is missing on your Windows 10 computer. Maybe it slides off the screen after you've opened up something. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve that to make it appear once again. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So, just drag your mouse cursor over to your taskbar should be temporarily and select the Windows Start button. Type in Settings. Best results, you come back with Settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the Personalization tile and then select Taskbar Behavior. Under that select the Automatically Hide the Taskbar. And that's all you have to do. So, pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial.